All right, so quick update on this McLaren 720S. As you see, we have the wheels off. No, we're not ceramic coating it. The wheels themselves have quite a bit of curb rash. So what we're doing is we're gonna go ahead and get them all refinished in a brand new color. Very similar to the color here, so we're gonna keep it pretty OEM, but it's gonna be a whole refresher for all 4 wheels. And then of course, as you probably saw in the previous clip, we went ahead and removed all of the vinyl that we had here, the vinyl outline on this carbon fiber front bumper. Pretty poor installation, of course. On top of that, removing the PPF was going to sacrifice the actual vinyl. So got it renewed, refreshed, and we're getting ready to protect this with Xpel's Ultimate Plus 10mm film. Stay tuned. All right, folks, so now that we have the film on the vehicle, done the install with the Xpel 10mm Ultimate Plus, as you will see, the big difference between what we had before and what we have now is now all of the edges are fully protected with our paint protection film. So, as you see here, I left the edges unwrapped. I normally go about a ½ inch extended over the edge, so that way it gives me room to wrap the edges and have sufficient film to go ahead and protect those areas. Same thing with the hood. As you saw in the previous footage, the film that was on the hood had fully exposed edges all the way around the hood, which basically for us is a no-no. So what we want to do is we went ahead, extended the edges, and what we'll do is finely tune this and wrap all the edges to give it that seamless look, in addition to giving it the best protection from rock chips, scratches, and debris. Hope you like what you saw. We're just now getting started. We have a whole lot of new content coming your way. If you're new to the channel, do me a favor, stop, like, and subscribe. And until next time, keep it simple. See you in the next video.